Hi everyone, hope every one of you is doing fine and having a very great day. So today I'm here with a new review of a product that is the Scrubby Rub, and she has just started her own venture. I wish her all the best for this. She has sent me the skin scrub named Orange Scrubby. It actually lightens and brightens the skin naturally and gives the skin natural glow. Look at the texture of the scrub. It is not so greasy and it actually scrubs very easily on the skin. और इसकी जो एक stiffness है वो भी बिल्कुल नहीं है. It's a very soft scrub. I'm just loving the texture. And the cherry on top is that it's totally homemade product and the packaging is 10 on 10. Also, she's kind enough to send me this almond hand and foot salt. It actually claims to remove dirt and dead skin cells. Look at the texture of this. It's in the powder form. I wish her all the best. Just go to her page, follow her, support her. Goodbye. See you in the next review.